Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 8, Their Promise. The prince entered the tower room. The prince entered the tower room. Rapunzel was very surprised. Rapunzel was very surprised. Because he was an unknown man. Because he was an unknown man. The prince bowed at once. The prince bowed at once. I am a prince of this land. I am a prince of this land. Rapunzel stepped back. Rapunzel stepped back. But the prince was very gentle. But the prince was very gentle. There was a smile on his face. There was a smile on his face. Please do not be afraid. Please do not be afraid. The prince spoke softly. The prince spoke softly. Rapunzel nodded. Rapunzel nodded. Silence returned to the room. Silence returned to the room. The two sat facing each other. The two sat facing each other. The prince spoke of the town. The prince spoke of the town. He spoke of wide roads. He spoke of wide roads. He spoke of the busy market. He spoke of the busy market. He spoke of festival music. He spoke of festival music. Rapunzel's eyes shone brightly. Rapunzel's eyes shone brightly. Is there such a world outside? Is there such a world outside? The prince smiled and nodded. The prince smiled and nodded. Now tell me your story. Now tell me your story. Rapunzel spoke of the days she had grown. Rapunzel spoke of the days she had grown. She spoke of life in the tower. She spoke of life in the tower. She spoke of lonely nights. She spoke of lonely nights. The prince listened very carefully. The prince listened very carefully. From that day, they grew close. From that day, they grew close. The prince said, I will come again. The prince said, I will come again. Rapunzel smiled. Rapunzel smiled. The prince came the next day. The prince came the next day. He came the day after that too. He came the day after that too. He came to see her every day. He came to see her every day. The two sang songs. The two sang songs. The two also read books. The two also read books. The two talked for a long time. The two talked for a long time. Their hearts grew even closer. Their hearts grew even closer. One day, the prince said. One day, the prince said. I want to free you from here. I want to free you from here. Rapunzel held her breath. Rapunzel held her breath. I also want to go outside. I also want to go outside. I want to walk under the sky. I want to walk under the sky. The prince took her hand. The prince took her hand. Let us go together. Let us go together. Rapunzel nodded. Rapunzel nodded. The two made a promise. The two made a promise. Someday we will leave this tower. Someday we will leave this tower. The prince said he would gather tools. The prince said he would gather tools. Rapunzel decided to prepare. Rapunzel decided to prepare. Hope lit in their hearts. Hope lit in their hearts. A new future could be seen. A new future could be seen. But danger was drawing near. But danger was drawing near. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.